we have discussed. Are you remembered? Lithosphere, yes, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Lithosphere means, I have told you, it is nothing but the hard crust of the continents. That is lithosphere. And hydrosphere is, I have told you, that is a water part. Which the water part is there, that is called. So here also we can see lithosphere is there, hard crust continents, and this is the hydrosphere we have discussed, and atmosphere is above the layer which is protecting us. That is called as the atmosphere we have discussed. And biosphere means the life on the both on the continents and in the water. Even microorganisms also we have discussed. Okay. Later on, what we are going to discuss is each and every part we are going to discuss. First one, let us see. First option, earth realm, lithosphere. What is it? Lithosphere. Lithosphere is we have discussed that lithosphere is no hard form of that. So here lithosphere, it comes under the three types of land forms. The land order forms. Okay. First order land form. And second order for land form, second order also, and third order land forms used to come. Okay. First order land forms, second order land forms, third order forms. What is the land forms? Different types. First category, what will come? Continents and oceans. Okay. These are in the globe. If you observe here, whatever the continents and water part is there, they are come under the first land order forms. And the next second order forms are, see here, if you see carefully, mountains are there. These are mountains, and here it is the plain areas will come, and here plateaus will be. Plateaus means the plain part. Okay. So these things will come under the second order form. Second order land forms. Okay. Come on once more. First order land forms are continents and oceans. Okay. First order land forms comes under the oceans and continents. Second order land forms are mountains, any mountain on the above the surface, whatever the mountains are there, plain areas, coastal plains maybe, and great plains, whichever they are above the land and under the water also. And the next one is the plateau region, PLATEAU. Okay. These plateau regions come under the second order forms. And the third order land forms, what are the, do you know that? W square. What is the W square? Wind and water. Okay. That is wind and water. With this, both these natural forces, the earth used to be soil, it forms. Okay. So this is the third order land forms. Okay. First order land forms, second order land forms, third order land forms, which we will see. See how these land forms are happened, how it was formed. Sometimes you used to get doubt also, yes children? And whichever that soil we are standing, land we are soiling, how it was formed. Naturally, everybody will get doubt. Yes, how we are, from where we came. So, let us discuss about one theory is there, that is jigsaw policy. Okay, jigsaw puzzle. What is that? It is called as a jigsaw puzzle. Puzzle is nothing but it is just like some million years back. How the earth formed, the first lesson we have discussed, and the continental float, continental drift also we have seen how the movements of crust used to be taken care. And the first lesson you have seen also what are the interior parts of the earth also. Yes children, crust, mantle, core we have seen. So let us see how this jigsaw puzzle was started. Jigsaw puzzle is just all the continents. Just it is very imaginary also, it is very surprising children. Whatever continents are there, these continents, they are just like floating on the above the mantle. Floating means outer layer of this all floating above the water. So these are all, how many plates are there? If you see what the scientists, geologists, what they have said, there are 7 plates are there which is floating on the earth's surface. And sometimes what will happen, sometimes each plate used to crash with each each other, clash with each other. Sometimes one plate goes up, other plate comes up. Okay, like that there are 7 plates are there. Let us see what are the 7 plates are there. First one is South American plate. This is the South America here. This is one plate it is. Okay, South American plate. And the next one is North American plate, South America, North American plate. Okay, once more you see, this is South American plate, this is North American plate, and next one is African plate. African continent, everything is on one plate. Plate means not eating plate, not that. This is the one plate it was moving. This is the African plate. Next one is Indo-Australian plate. Australian continent, if you see, this is Australian continent. This is moving, floating on the surface, mantle. And next one, Antarctic plate. Okay, this is Antarctica. This is also one plate. It is moving. Please, sir. And the next one is Eurasian plate. Eurasian, Europe and Asia together. This is a Eurasian plate. We can say Europe and Asia, Eurasian plate. And the next one is a water part, the Pacific plate. Okay, all full Pacific Ocean is on the one plate. And you know, children, it is very surprising when I learned this lesson also. What I felt this, really on the earth surface it will float. So it is sure, children. Why? Because sometimes we used to get earthquakes. What is the earthquake? Just a sudden movement of earth, and suddenly we will run away out of the house to protect ourselves. Yes or no? That is the earthquake. How it will happen? If one plate touches with the other, then there is a lot of vibration comes. So earthquakes comes. So when it was moved, this place when it is moving on each other and floating from one place to another place, it is called as a tectonic plate. It is called as what it is called? Tectonic plate. Why? Because these plates only used to move from one place to another place. Sometimes in the first lesson we have seen in the continental drift, it is a Pangaea is there. Afterwards this it was first it was all one land mass. Later on it splitted and it went into different directions. And we may surprise also, whatever the land we are standing here, this is an Indian subcontinent, Deccan Plateau. After some time it may go under this mantle also. How it will be? Just you see in the inner core of the earth crust, about inner core of the earth crust, all rocks are in the solid liquid form. I have told you. Yes, we have discussed, no? So when each plate moves one another, when the one plate goes on another, this plate whichever is coming, it goes inside, and it will again due to great pressure and great heat, and whatever plate it went, it used to be again liquefied, and it forms as a one solid crust. And you know, whatever the solid crust, Deccan Plateau also formed with the help of volcanic eruption only. We have discussed also. 8th class also we have discussed. If you remember, then it will be easy for you. So, and it is a continuous process, children. It is a continuous process. One plate touches with each other, and there is a lot of pressure exerts. And Himalayas are also, of course, Himalayas are also formed due to the continental drift. And the two continents are moved to each other, and whatever the European plate, Europe plate used to move up, and this Deccan Plateau went inside. So like that, children, these are all tectonic plate issue. Who was found this? Geologists, what they have found after lot of observation and there is always movement is there. We can't find. Now also maybe it is moving, this plate is moving, because we can't guess, because very minorly it used to move. So that's why it takes millions of years to move from the one place to another place. Okay, and actually this Deccan subcontinent, it is Deccan plate which we are living. This triangle place, once upon a time it was near the Madagascar. After so many million years afterwards, when the earth rotation and revolution, this plate slowly push and it pushed towards the European plate. So that's why we got the great Himalayan ranges. And so when this plate goes inside the mantle, in the core, core if it goes, and it became melt again and it forms the ridges, mountain ridges are there. And do you know children, not only outside we are seeing mountains, plain areas and plateaus and all, inside the water also, Pacific Ocean also, inside ocean also, there are a lot of what are the ridges are there, big ridges are there, mountain ranges are there. You know, Andaman Nicobar Islands are also from Myanmar. From there onwards, whatever the ranges are there inside the water, and whichever the upper layer we are seeing, there it is called as an island we are calling. Okay children, like that the sea floor is spreading. One plate is going inside and it is becoming liquid, and again it was forming as a crust, and so like the solid form it is making. So like that the sea floor is going on spreading. So that's why we used to think that this drama of this margin of this, whatever we are seeing these continents, after some time we may not see. Whatever this world map you are drawing, this is North America, this is South America, this is what is it, Africa, this is Europe, this is Asia and Australia, like that we are drawing. Yes, isn't it? So different continents we are drawing, but these plates some goes on, it has so much of movement and it clashes with each other. So that's why children, to read this earth is very excited. Why? Because always we will come to know new things, how it is formed, whether we can able to feel it or not. So like that, every time we have to learn more and more. So to learn more, just you refer atlas, see how the continental drift is there, how the earth body's formation is taking place. So children, let us today, you can see here what are the things we are seeing about the lithosphere. Okay, first order landforms, second order landforms, third order landforms, and the next one is the 7 major plates we are seeing. How these plates used to move, the movement of plates from one place to another place is called as a tectonic plates. What it is called? Tectonic movement of tectonic plates. And next one is we saw jigsaw puzzle. What is the jigsaw puzzle? These plates always used to move from one place to another place, and it goes, some plates used to come outside, some plates goes inside the core, and due to lot of pressure and heat, this plate whichever went, it was becoming as a liquidified, means it becomes as a rocks, becomes solid, liquid, and again they used to form as a volcanic eruptions, or also it formed as a solid crust. Okay, like that the earth movements used to take place children. And okay children, up to that you just write down your question answers. You have to form, being 9th class student, you have to form your own question answers and post it to me, then I will check it and I will give you reply children. Okay, do hard work.